Come on now, you're taking your sweet time. Are we gonna do this or what? It's now or never, chica, what we doing?
And then let's go.
Here comes the pain!
What's cool, what's the way, what it do? Everybody is your boy Blackley and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So guys, today we're gonna be operating something. It's gonna be a prank, guys, and we're gonna be using this. This is a dark sound. We're gonna use it on people's ears, bruh. Then I'll be pretending like I'm pressing my phone or something like that. Without no further ado, let's get into it.
It's about to go down.
Okay, chat. We're about to get to the second clip for you guys. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Taking. Prank, Sure. Yo, what's up, guys? We're gonna do another clip. Okay. How much is this one, boss?
6 rand, 5 rand.
Huh?
6 rand, 5 rand.
6 rand this one.
That one 6 rand, that one 5 rand.
Okay, sure. So can you give me this one for 6 rand? Huh? One. Give me one.
Yeah, you can choose.
Give me this one.
Get or two.
Are you want it right? Guys.
Deceiving the people. I got the vision, the eye of an eagle. Yeah, way too ahead of my peers. I ran up the digits and ran out of tears. Give a fuck what a journalist said. 3 classic albums, I'm already clear.